It is, isn't it? That's a brilliant one. There's the abbey in the distance. And there's all the embers. Are they going up there, eh? Wow! Look at them all. Elliot? Just get the burn as an ember, it will be alright. And remember what? Oh, get moved now. I don't know how they can stand so close down there.
It's been wood on fire and it's lying up in the air.
An ember.
Oh, it's big wood!
Wow. You can't take an ember home, it kind of cools down a little bit.
It's going to be lots of bits. Look at it now!
Ring! Oh, where are they? Oh, hey! See if you can sit on the pig, Elliot. Is it too hot there? Oh my God! Elliot, it's too hot. Come on, mate, it's too hot. Alright, you're getting too close to mine. Is it too wet? Whoa, look at that big ember there. Alright boys, it's too hot, let's go back. Wow. Biggins!